How to upgrade your iPhone to iOS 16. Before you upgrade your iPhone, it is recommended that you should back up your apps and data either to iCloud or to your Mac through Finder or to your PC via iTunes. Make sure you have enough space to download and install iOS 16. Establish a reliable internet connection and never let your iPhone battery life level down below to 80%. Let's get started. Open the Settings app. Go to General. Tap Software Update. Under Also Available, tap the button Upgrade to iOS 16. Tap Download and Install. You can choose Download Only or Download and Install Tonight. Type your passcode. Tap Agree. Then again tap Agree. Then, wait for it to finish downloading. After iOS 16 download is finished, tap Install Now. It will verify the update and proceed to the process. It may take a few minutes to complete. Swipe up the home bar or press the home button. Now you see Software Update Complete. Hit Continue. You can choose between the two options. You can choose between the two options. You can choose between the two options. Swipe up the home bar or press the home button and you're good to go. One more thing, you will notice that after iOS 16 installation, your phone tends to get hot. It is normal since the transition between iOS 15 to iOS 16 is still on process. Just ignore it and in a few days it will go back to normal. If it does not, there are two things: either iOS 16 has a bug or your iPhone is too old for iOS 16. Before I end this video, iOS 16 is only compatible with iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 10, iPhone 10R, iPhone 10s, iPhone 10s Max, iPhone 11, iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone 11 Pro Max, iPhone SE, 2020, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, iPhone 12 Pro Max, iPhone SE, 2022, iPhone 13 mini, iPhone 13, iPhone 13 Pro, iPhone 13 Pro Max, iPhone 14, iPhone 14 Plus, iPhone 14 Pro, and iPhone 14 Pro Max. There you have it. iOS 16 running on the iPhone XS. I hope this helps you. This has been Techno Voyager. I'll catch you in the next video.